So let's proceed to the lesson 10. This is again a common expressions about some of the personal things. So here are some of the personal things. In Cebuano, if you say sayal, in English, that is skirt. So sayal, skirt. Purol. In English, that is short pants. So if we say purol, in English, that is short pants. Jacket. In English, that is jacket. Sinina. So in Cebuano, if we say sinina, in English, that is cloth or dress. Cloth or dress. So sinina. Suot. So suot. In Cebuano, if you say suot, in English, that is attire or outfit. So if we say suot in English, that is attire or outfit. Medyas. So in Cebuano, if we say medyas, in English, that is socks. So medyas, socks. Calzones. So if we say calzones in Cebuano, in English, that is pants or trousers. So calzones, pants or trousers. Zapatos. So in Cebuano, if we say zapatos, in English, that is shoes. So zapatos, shoes. Panyo. So in Cebuano, if we say panyo, so in English, that is handkerchief. Dulaan. So that is toy. Dulaan, toy. Trapo. So trapo in English, that is wipes or rag. Wipes or rag. Don't you know that Camiguin Island is one of the second smallest island in the Philippines in both area and population? It's just 23 kilometers at its longest and just a bit more than 14 kilometers as it's at its widest. Within this small area live 7 volcanoes. Lovely little Camiguin is the island of the born of fire.